Meaning of insulin.
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 Insulin. Insulin is a hormone that is produced by the pancreas and regulates blood sugar levels in the body. After eating, the pancreas releases insulin, which helps glucose, sugar, from food enter cells in the body to be used for energy or stored for later use. Insulin also helps to lower high blood sugar levels by signaling the liver to convert glucose into glycogen for storage. Insulin plays a critical role in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels, and people with diabetes often need to take insulin injections to help keep their blood sugar under control.